In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Adyen payments on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin to locate Adyen as a payment provider and get ready for setup without any guesswork. Start in your Shopify admin and head to the Orders section. Opening orders is a simple way to confirm you're in the right store and context before you make changes. From here, look for the Settings option in your admin. Clicking Settings takes you to the central place where store-wide configuration lives, including your payment options. Inside Settings, go to the Payments area and choose Add Payment Method. This is where Shopify lets you browse and search for gateways that integrate with your store. You'll land on a page designed to help you filter and find exactly what you need. On this page, look for the highlighted search field. Click into that field and get ready to type. That highlight is Shopify pointing you to the quickest way to narrow down the list. If your screen shows multiple ways to browse, expand your options by selecting More Views. This reveals additional ways to explore the catalog of payment methods, which can be helpful if the initial list feels limited or if you prefer to search in a different way. Next, select Search by Provider. This view is ideal when you already know the payment company you're looking for. With that view active, type the provider name, Adyen. As you type, Shopify will filter the results, making it easy to spot Adyen in the list. At this point, you've successfully located Adyen within Shopify's payment providers. That's the key discovery step most merchants need before proceeding. If Adyen doesn't appear, double-check that you're in the payments area of the correct store. Ensure you have the staff permissions required to manage payment settings, and consider whether regional availability or store currency settings might affect visibility. Clearing any filters, confirming the exact spelling, or refreshing the page can also help if the results don't update right away. A quick recap. Open your Shopify admin and visit Orders, go into Settings, then Payments, choose Add Payment Method, use the highlighted search field, expand more views when needed, switch to Search by Provider, and type Adyen. Following these actions brings Adyen into view so you can proceed confidently within your admin. That's it for this walkthrough. If you found this helpful, keep this flow handy the next time you manage payment providers, and you'll be able to find what you need in seconds.